We're out and we're going to tune the HSP 1/10 scale Warhead buggy. It is very, very cold today, and let us see how it starts. We're going to get it tuned and we're going to do some off-road performance videos. You can see it's running very, very rich. Signs of it running rich is stalling on there. So I'm just going to lean it out just 1/8 of a turn, clockwise. You can see it is bogging on the full throttle. Too lean. You need to richen it counterclockwise, 1/8 of a turn. Okay, so I can see not much smoke at the full throttle, so I'm just going to richen it out another 1/8 of a turn clockwise. Do not touch your low end needles just yet. Good, we have full throttle running growl, and also we have a good high-speed needle because we have a nice rich smoke coming out on the full throttle. Now we've done the high-speed needle, it's now time to do the low-speed needle. When tuning my low-speed needle, I always use something called the pinch test. Pinch test is basically where you start up the engine and you pinch the fuel line to see how long it takes for the engine to quit. The ideal low-speed needle setting is where the engine should take around 3 seconds to quit. If it takes 3 seconds to quit, it means you have a good setting. If it cuts off straight away, you have a lean setting. If it takes ages to quit, that means you have a rich setting. Let's see what mine's like and we'll adjust it if necessary. About 6 seconds. So in order to sort this out, you can see it took a long time to stop. So turn the low speed needle, that is the one given here, turn it 1/8 of a turn clockwise, just 1/8 of a turn, and we'll see how that does. About a second earlier. Turn it a little bit more. Remember, we're looking at it to stop in about 3 seconds. Just 3 seconds it should stop. Okay, so that seems like we have a good setting now. I want to leave it running rich because in the winter you should always have your engines running richer than you would in the summer. So thank you very much. Now we're going to do some off-road driving of the HSP Warhead.